Okay, hello everybody. It's me, Christopher Vice. It is August 28th, 2012, and day before Hurricane Isaac will make landfall. Well, actually, it will make landfall later tonight. But it'll basically hit on my birthday, just like Hurricane Katrina. You can actually see where the winds are blowing from the band. That's the southeast. The storm is coming in from the south, and it's going like this. So of course the bands will be coming like that, and you can see it too. I think it's pretty neat. Okay, it's August 29th, 2012, my birthday, and Hurricane Isaac is upon us here in Louisiana. If you can hear that, that's a little bent in the roof. It's jiggling around from the wind. Here's our little miniature versions of that tree. Okay, I'm back. And you see it's still storming. It's not as bad as it was right when I took the camera back out. Well, I beg to differ. Man, did you hear that? Surprised that shed has still been keeping up. This thing has fallen down over the past couple of years. Generator. You see the bent piece of metal on the roof? That was weakened by Hurricane Katrina, and then eventually pushed up by Gustav. See the rain coming off of it. Oh, what the heck is that? You see that? That little flap?
Is it flopping?
The bent part isn't flopping, but another piece is.
Where?
You see over there that little bit at the end? It's flopping.
At the very end,
Let's keep watching.
Yeah, I know.
See it?
There's something else making noise over here too.
clouds moving pretty fast. Hey Neil. Hey Mom. Extreme close up. Aha. Oh. Did y'all see that? Piece of tin just flew off that roof. Okay, it is August 30th, 2:19 p.m. and the storm for us is basically over. The eye is in the north of Louisiana, and most of the storm for us is basically dissipated. And all we have now is just a whole lot of wind and a very, very beautiful forecast of clouds. You know, so we moved our plants over. Uh-oh, our Charlie Brown Satsuma tree is tipped over. Oh well. Of a mile down the road, my friend Travis, he had a tree fall down on his trailer, straight on top of his trailer. Went right through the back bedroom, from what I've heard. I'll be in prayer for him.